So now we are here to calibrate this machine. Okay, you need first to tear it. 0, 0. Seal it again. 18.3. Now it's good. Okay. Then I will put here back flash first. Yep. Here put the weighing scale. 2 glasses. 0, 0. Wink. So now we will see what will be the outcome. Now it start brewing. This espresso 24, 34, 21. Good extraction time. 34. Good espresso volume. So now we take a small cup. We put here together. Okay. Here, then like this. Swipe, swipe, pump, pump, swipe, swipe, pump, pump, swipe. Now look at this. Swipe. Now we are in those two. Check here. The beans. Okay. This is those two. We'll clean it. Yes. Now we'll clean it more style. Clean it. This one. Here again. Those to basket. Here. 0, 0. It should be 25. It should be 25. 25, good. And now if we will put here, not too much tight. We'll put again 2 like this. Okay. We'll seal it. 0, 0. Now we click left right. How come left right? It will be extraction in 11. It will be goes down. 9. Okay. It goes down. More. So it's 34 exact time, and then it's 45. It's not good stress. You need to adjust here. In group 3, it is for cell 7 here in the water count. You need to press here, and then make it 410. Then here. Okay. Calibration. There you go.
ديرك بعيدة. عندكم هناك 3 فوق.
ما في يبون كم جديد.
هناك أكثر كميات يعني. توقعتك والله توقعت ديرتك صدق بعيد. لا الأمور تمام يعني. الله يوفقك. متعين هنا أجل هم عند أهلك.
الحين هنا عندنا
49
عادي اليوم انا عندك
48.9
استقرار ما فيه.
فاضي
قطاعك